In this lecture, we discuss or we take some example which are not vector subspace. So let us take the first example. Check whether W equal to x, y, z, where x square such that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. And V is equal to R cube, means V is the vector space, R cube is subspace of the respective real vector space V with the standard operation or not. So we have to check that this W is vector subspace of V or not. So for this purpose, W will be a vector subspace of V if the following properties are satisfied. So what is the first property? W is non-empty. So now here, the zero vector does not belong to W, because if you put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and z equal to 0, then 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 square, which is 0, not 1. So here, this is in this set W, 0 is not element of the given set, therefore it is not a vector subspace. Even though we can also take the another property, closure under addition. So if we take any two element of this set, let me take one example, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now if we use that, so 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square equal to 1. Similarly, 0 square plus 1 square plus 0 square equal to also 1. So these two are element of W. Let us add both the two element. So 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 1, 0. If we add then 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1, and 0 plus 0, which is equal to 1, 1, 0. And if we take its square, 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square, which is equal to 2, which is not satisfy the given condition of W. Therefore, 1, 1, 0 is not element of W. Since at least one property of being subspace are not satisfied by the given set W, therefore W is not a vector subspace. So out of this property, if we only write down the first property, then also we are able to say that the given set is not a vector subspace. And if suppose we are proving the second property and we are able to disprove it, then also we are able to say that this is not a vector subspace. So at least out of these three property, if we are able to prove only one property, then we are able to say that the given set or subset W of vector space V is not a vector subspace. Thank you.